soft. Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how I straighten my hair, the products I use and the tools I use to straighten my hair. And my hair, it is long, super long. So yes, so first I'm going to be using a comb. I am going to be using this product right here, and I'm going to go ahead and spray. So every time that you use any heating tool, make sure you always spray at least a protector, that way your hair doesn't get damaged. So the next, I'm just gonna go and comb my hair through. I ended up applying this and shine. So yeah, and it smells so like really good. So if you haven't tried it, go ahead and give it a try. And the place that you can actually find this at your local Sally's. So the next product I'm going to be using for my hair is this one right here. It's the Nano Conair Professional ceramic tool, and this one is really good. Like I think I've had this already for, I would say, like 4 years already, and it's really good still. Like it's still in good shape and everything. So the settings I'm going to be using is 375 is the one that I'm going to be using. So I normally part it from here where my ears are at, and then I'll grab and I'll just get a clip and then part it in the half, like in the middle, separate it, and once again I'll go with the brush. So by now this is already like hot, because it gets like hot like right away. So then what I'm gonna do is just grab my brush. I do have a flat one, but another brush, my kids have it in their bathroom, so I'm just gonna be using the same brush, this one. And then I'm gonna grab from the top and then drag it all the way down. And repeat the same steps. Like this, and then look at how straight it is. Like, it's so straight and shiny. So next we're gonna go to the other side, and then we're gonna stop. I don't really do it all the way from the top, like to my scalp. I really don't. I'll just probably do it from like this much, and then I'll drag it down. But from like here down, my hair does get like super frizzy, and it's kind of wavy as well. So, and then just drag it down. This. And then I'm gonna repeat the same steps. Already straight, as you can see. This thing works really good. And then we're gonna do the same thing, repeat the same steps, but this time I'm just gonna grab like this much. And if you're looking for a good straightener, this one is the one. In my hair, the straightener, I actually do it really quick. I like doing it slow. I go it really quick. Then I'll grab some from here, go a little bit closer to the scalp. I'll grab some hair from here, straighten it to the back as well, and then straighten it, And then the last part, I already parted like how I'll start parting how I want my hair, and it'll be to here. Oh my goodness. Not even straight. So this is what I have left. And once again, you know, repeat the same steps. Make sure there's no knot and it's not tangled and it's just smooth. And now this time I will go a little bit closer to the scalp. So you can see how straight it already looks. Like so, you see the sides like frizzy and this one's stuff kind of. I would make it more straighter, but I don't like it that straight. And for me, like this is just perfect. See? So we're gonna repeat the same steps. And be careful when you glide the straightener, and then like if you go directly to touch it with your hands, just be careful, because girl, you was gonna burn your fingers and you don't want that. I feel like the brush, when you first place it and then you use the straightener to glide it down, I think it like tipping out your hair, so it's like a lot easier. I feel like I'll get kind of like every strand. At least that's what I think. And this is the final result. As you can see, my hair is already like so smooth and straight. And what I like about this tool, that it doesn't make your hair staticky. That's like a plus right there, another plus. So yes, this is my hair. Let me turn around so you guys can see my hair. It's already straight. My hair is long. And look at how, like, I just place my fingers and glide it and look at. I love that feeling. So this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys love this tutorial, please give my video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel, and I would really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have an amazing, beautiful, blessed day.